Why weekly goal reviews matter.
Staying on track with your goals can be challenging. Weekly goal reviews help by creating a regular time to check your progress. This routine makes it easier to spot what's working, notice setbacks early, and build momentum for the week ahead. It's a simple structure that keeps your focus clear and your motivation steady.
How to set up a weekly review.
Many people find that Friday afternoons or Sunday evenings work best. Use a notebook, app, or planner to look over your goals. Review what you accomplished, what needs improvement, and what steps you'll take next. Making this a consistent habit helps turn reflection into progress.
Key questions to ask yourself.
During your review, ask clear and simple questions. What did I finish this week? What slowed me down? What can I improve next week? By shining a light on both wins and obstacles, you'll get a more honest picture of your progress and learn how to improve over time.
Adjusting your goals and strategies.
It's normal for goals and plans to change. Weekly reviews let you adjust your approach when things aren't working. Update your goals if priorities shift, and try new strategies if you're stuck. This flexibility keeps your efforts aligned with what matters most to you.
Staying motivated with regular check-ins.
Celebrating small wins during your weekly review can be powerful. Noticing your own progress builds momentum and positive energy. Even if you didn't hit every target, recognizing efforts keeps you engaged and focused. Over time, these regular check-ins turn big goals into achievable steps.